this video lying in my bed, looking all raggedy. You know, some of my teeth are missing. You know, what's going on? When you eat red meat, wonder why you get cancer? You wonder why you get sick? Get on the boat. Every walks of life, every animal. We are animals. Humans on top of the food chain. We are animals. Humans on top of the food chain. The tribes would wear flesh on their bodies. The wolf eating the sheep. When we're supposed to lead them to God. And you guys wonder, when you go to KFC, you eat some chicken nuggets, or you go to a restaurant, you are eating your own flesh. You know what? That meat you're eating, they clone the meat and they put human flesh in it. You understand that? They take something from a human and the animal, they do something like that, and then they clone the meat. You are eating human flesh. I wonder why. Because we are top of the food chain, piling flesh in our mouth. You know what God's going to say to us? You killed my children, Mother Nature. Climate change, everything's going backwards. Get on the boat. You guys are sleeping, laying in your bed. Oh my God, I got filthy rags on. Oh my God, my teeth are going to fall out in a part of hell. I'm eating myself one hamburger. But now it's clone meat. Do the homework. They put something from a human, an animal, and that's what you're eating. Your bologna does not just have a first name. It has your brother's name. Human flesh. Want some?